Have you ever seen a 3D printed house? Well, I'm standing in front of one right now. This is the Icon model home in East Austin. Icon is the company that pioneered 3D printing for residential home construction. You might have seen it on 60 Minutes. And they create houses that are windproof, mold-proof, and fireproof. And they look like nothing else that's on the market. So this is a standalone house in East Austin. And I'm going to show you the exterior of this, but I'm also going to walk you through one of the brand new houses in Wimberley Springs, which is a community where Icon is building several of this style of house in Wimberley, which is a charming town about 30 minutes to the south of Austin. My name's Chris Anderson. I'm at 12 Rivers Realty. If you have any questions about how these are built or how to get one for yourself, please send me a message or put a comment in the comments and I will get back to you and answer all of your questions. So let's take a look at the Icon 3D printed houses in East Austin and Wimberley, Texas.